Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The stochastic indicator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Shares slipped in Asia after last week's decline on Wall Street, while signs of a surge in coronavirus infections in China suggested progress may be bumpy as it rolls back its zero-COVID pandemic restrictions. Maple Finance, the largest unsecured crypto lending platform, is grappling with a debt crisis while gearing up for a major system upgrade. The project's MPL token has plunged, and depositors are likely to stomach big losses. Malaysia's state energy firm Petronas said it would work with JX Nippon Oil and Gas Exploration Corp on a joint proposal to monetize gas potential in the Bujang, Inas, Guling, Sepat and Tujoh fields located off the shores of Peninsular Malaysia.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's machinery orders will be released at 23:50 GMT. The UK's claimant count change at 0700 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1330 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, will be released at 1000 hours GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0700 hours GMT. The US Consumer Price Index core at 1330 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.